Okay, let's talk about 16th notes. To get 16ths, we break the beat or the quarter note into 4 even parts. In the previous video, we discussed 8th notes and how it breaks the quarter note into 2 parts. So between 2 beats, we split it right down the middle and put another note there. And that becomes the and. So we're doing that again. Notice here is the 1. Here's the and. So this would be the 8th note grouping right here. So what we're doing is putting another note in between those 2 and between the and the next beat. So each of these 4 parts is assigned a syllable. As you can see, we're already familiar that numbers are given to quarter notes, and when we have 8th notes, that second note is given the and syllable. So now we're introducing the E and the ah. Okay, so now I'm going to count out loud and clap the rhythm so you get a sense of how they work. Okay, so I'm going to start with quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do 8th notes. I'm going to count quarters but clap 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally for 16ths. So again, I'm going to count quarters and clap the 16ths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to count using the E, the and the ah. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Okay, so how they're written. The defining characteristic of the 16th is the double beam at the top of the note. So for 8th notes, it was the single beam, but for 16ths, it's the double beam. That's super important to remember. As with 8th notes, we can have single 16th notes, or we can have groupings, such as 2 or more. And when we have 2 or more in a row, we attach their beams, we connect them, as we did here and here as well. Okay, so that was a really brief lesson on 16ths. Hopefully that helped. For more lessons, please subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos on rhythm as well as some other music related topics too.